Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to my video, and today we are gonna open some packs, some pro packs, and England champions and team hero of New York City. Okay, let's begin. We are opening our first pack, and hopefully we can get an elite. Okay, from left side, and we do not get him. We get gold, but okay. Let's open our second pack. Who is it? Reveal all, and we get Skoko, right forward. Okay. We're not enough. Third pack, and who is it? Lehman. Central defending midfielder. Okay. Fourth pack, and hopefully can get elite. I need only one elite. Okay, from left side. Traore. Fifth pack. Pack open. Hopefully. Silver, bronze. We will all continue. Next pack. Who is it? No. Hopefully we can get the lead. Opening from right side. Silver, bronze, and okay. We're getting shit. What I don't. Yes. We get an elite token, Sergio Ramos. Okay. Not that bad, but we need an elite player, not elite token. In fact, it's opening. Reveal all at the same time. Who are you? Okay, let's open national champions. Maybe we can get elite from there. Loftus Cheek, Chelsea's player. Okay. Next pack. Please give me at least one elite player. Okay. Who is there? So excited, and okay, next pack. I need at least one elite. Lee Chang-yong, Al Mubarak, Gorman, and
Yes! We got an elite! Wow! Ribery! Yes! We get it! Yes, I did it!
we need to update our team. It's not my account, it's the account of my friend. He will be so happy. I got elite ribbon. Oh, I'm so happy. We are opening our next pack. See, clear. Okay, there is take Conan, and I'm so excited. Can we get second on? No, we get Arias. Don't know who is it. Okay, pro pack. Okay, next pack. Who is there? I want to reveal all. Okay. We have our last pack in heroes, and hopefully we can get David Villa, 88 rated striker. Okay. We start from left side, and from right, and we get Iraola. I was so excited. I wanted that 88 rated striker. Okay, but we got Ribery, 84 rated left wing. I want. Okay, he costs around 100k. 6. Okay. We got elite 84 rated Ribery. I'm so happy, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, drop like on this video.